Assalamualaikum, welcome back. Today I will share Cashmax earning apps review. First app link, download now. Apps download link in video description. Then click here, sign up. Okay, type your username and your email address. Then click type now password. Okay, sign up complete. Then click now login. Okay, already login complete. Main topic. Okay, use my referral code. My referral code use 10 coins earning. Then click here daily claim bonus. Okay, then click unlimited earning offer while showing now, unlimited offer while showing now. Then click one offer while. Okay, 100 coins 10 cent. Okay, 100 coin exchange 10 cent earning. Okay, you are understand. Then click here CPX resource. Okay, my country not available. Mini tax option, unlimited earning available. You win games playing starting now and win you earning coins unlimited. Okay, then daily quiz option and click here. Okay, you reading and correct answer right now. I am example showing now. Okay, general knowledge movie quiz. Okay, your correct answer typing now. Okay, 60% correct, but I am not sure wrong answer or right answer. But next, then click here submit. Your correct answer try again now. Okay, then correct answer searching now Google. Okay, redeem. Then click here redeem Pubg mobile Dogecoin PayPal and 2rx loan available. Only 500 coins withdraw available. 100 coins exchange 10 cent and PayPal and 2rx available. 1000 coins earning and 2rx available and PayPal. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and use my referral code 10 coins instant bonus PD. Thank you. Bye bye.